Architectural gem and huge cul-de-sac, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Grand foyer, hardwood floors, exquisite handcrafted arches, columns, large windows, 5-member crown molding. Large family room west fireplace, gourmet kitchen west granite countertops, custom cabinets, butler pantry and corner glass china closet. Laundry room sink. First floor master bedroom west fireplace and spa-like bathroom, second floor master bedroom west balcony access. Loft west frame tray ceiling, fallout safe room, built-in candle window mounts. Generator, 2-car garage, large porch. 6.57 parcel offers view of community pond, gazebo, and park-like green space. Foundation